pineapple pork stir-fry. Ingredients: 2 pounds pork tenderloin, cut into 2-inch cubes. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 teaspoon salt. 2/3 cup soy sauce. ½ cup rice vinegar. 1/4 cup honey, optional. 6 garlic cloves. 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, minced. 1 bunch green onions, thinly sliced. 1 pineapple, diced. 1 red bell pepper, diced. 1 large avocado, diced. Directions: heat the oil in a large skillet over high heat. Season the pork with 1 teaspoon salt. Stir-fry the pork until golden brown all over, 5-7 minutes. This may need to be done in 2 batches, depending on the size of your skillet. In a small bowl, mix the soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, garlic, ginger, lighter parts of the chopped green onion. Reserve the darker green tops to use as a garnish. Transfer all of the cooked pork tenderloin pieces back to the hot skillet, along with the diced pineapple and pepper. Pour the sauce over the pork and simmer sauce, stirring often, until sauce thickens and slightly reduces, about 3 minutes. Adding cubed avocados and remaining chopped green onions. Serve as is or over coconut rice and enjoy.